the Autauga County sunflower field. This is July the 1st, 2024. And we're going to go up here and talk to Kim about her sunflower field and the tours that they give. And I might even take one.
So here we go. Going to take the ride through the sunflower field. Quite a little bumpy ride, but it was well worth it.
And we're going to go right through the middle of the field. Just reach out and touch them. Sunflower field.
I know.
Whoa. And the bees are out there doing their job on the sunflower.
They're working.
Here are some folks that have been out picking sunflowers. Looks like they've got quite a basket full.
Well, did you enjoy that little trip through the field there?
We did.
Great.
Say hi to the camera.
Hey, he's shy.
He knows you're there.
What a great day to be in the sunflower field. Did you enjoy that little ride through the sunflowers?
Fine.
Yeah, interesting.
Just know, I don't care what flower you pick. You pick any flower you want. But if you pick that, it's going to fall apart very
Right.
quick.
Okay.
So you're looking for
Little sunflower picking lesson here.
you're looking for stuff that, you know, that ring is on the outside.
Right.
It's just got started on the outside. It's not necessarily about the size of it. You'll find some big ones.
Right. Okay.
So you can walk down that path right there. There's a lot, especially once you get down through there. Or you can go this way. The good thing about going this way, if you get warm, you can step in the shade pretty quick.
Nice. Yeah, that's nice.
But you might have to step on out in the field a little to find the
some-
flower.
Okay.
So
Yeah. Great.
make yourself.
There you go.
Are you getting one for
Well, they got their sunflowers. Look at that.
Show the sunflowers.
Wow.
Show the sunflowers.
Yeah,
Yeah, so cool. Did you smell it?
that was neat.
Smell it. Smell good? Does it smell good? Wait, you guys got a souvenir.
Well, we're coming to the end of our ride through the sunflower field. Very interesting.
Careful. Careful.
Come some happy sunflower pickers. Getting busy around here for the 1st of July. Wow. It's a great place to come and visit, folks. The Autauga County sunflower field.
So here we are out in the sunflower field, flying low over the sunflowers. Here you have the sunflower surrey, as I'll call it, riding through the middle of the sunflower field. You can reach out and touch them. Sometimes they will jump in and touch you. You get so close to them. They're totally beautiful. This is the last week for the sunflowers. The end of this week is July the 5th, so that's their last day. Had quite a few folks on this particular Surrey ride. And get a little bird's eye view from above this 17-acre field of sunflowers. Todd's going to pull in and into the shady spot there and let everyone out, and so they can pick their sunflowers, take their pictures, walk around, and just generally have a good time.
Can we just strip these leaves off right here? Or? Okay. Okay. Yes. Like this one. Oh, yeah, no, but it's still got a little bit of the center.
There you go. Enjoy those sunflowers.
We are figuring them out. Beautiful. That one's a good one.
So I'm here at the Autaugaville sunflower field, and we have Kim over here. She's the proprietor. Hey, Kim, how are you doing today?
Good. I'm kind of hot, but it's all good. I enjoy sunflower season. So
Oh, it's warm. It's warm. So you've got one more week to go. This is the last week, right?
this is the countdown. We'll be finishing up on Friday.
Okay, so that will be the 5th of July. Yeah, and this is the 1st. So anyway, tell me a little bit about your store here.
Well, this is just actually kind of like our little area where we greet visitors, come up here and get information about developing on the field and purchasing flowers, cutting their own flowers. This is a unique flower, but we have lots of other little things that we have, little gift type items to take with you. You don't charge admission, so we do have other things that we do up here. So they can come up, cool off with what we have, and get information about gift fair.
You have these. I see you have these tumblers that they can fill with zinnia.
Those tumblers are zinnias. Here, what do you got? Stuff it.
Wow. And then you have another tumbler that.
You have a plastic tumbler, and it's $8. But it's the same. It's stuff this for $8 with as many zinnias as you can get in there.
Okay. And then what about the sunflowers themselves?
Sunflowers themselves are $1 each. These are the girls a little tired. I've been using these for an example, but they're $1 each. And you can list if I get stuff over, you get 14.
Wow. And these are the zinnias. Boy, those are beautiful. I saw that field when we took the ride through the sunflower field. So, and here looks like some happy, satisfied sunflower pickers.
Right. Thank you. Stuff.
There you go.
Yeah, what's up, Bill?
And of course, they get to keep the bucket.
Right. That's what goes to be.
Well, this is quite a little operation. Now, you've been in operation, what, 9 years?
Our 9 year let visitors into.
Yeah, that's neat. So how long have you been growing sunflowers, though?
I believe Todd's been growing sunflowers for 11 years.
Okay, and then
Years prior, letting people come in.
people just started stopping by to take pictures.
Roadside and come in out of between else because you don't see many sunflower fields this big.
Right.
So that stopped. It just kind of has grown over the years as an event in our community, and now people are from everywhere come for about 3 to 4 weeks.
Wow.
December.
Yeah, this is awesome. This is a great thing for Autaugaville. Tell me about this piece of machinery back over here.
Turkeys that honestly over years old. I that is. They're not United States. There's some company that make this happen.
But this was in use last November, so look at that. And here's a bag full of the seeds. They sell the seeds for cattle feed and for their own purpose. Wow, this is 4th of July week, as you can see, you got the flag out there. But anyway, they have a lot of different items here. They've got boiled peanuts, they've got kettle corn, sweet and salty kettle corn, correct? Yeah. And of course, here's a rundown of their menu. With that. This is great. This is great. So this is July the 1st. They're going to go through July the 5th. So if you see this between now and then, come on out. Bring the kids. Become a professional photographer, videographer. Take pictures. They're great. There's 17 acres on one side and how many acres? 16 on the other side. It's huge. You won't be disappointed, will they, Kim? Good deal. Thank you so much for sharing.
Coming out and doing this.
I certainly want to thank Todd and Kim for allowing me to come out and video and drone their sunflower field. So that's just about going to do it for this year at the sunflower field in Autaugaville. So if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.